Beyblade Metal Masters Nightmare Rex SW145 SD Balance Type B137. Here's the back. The spin track and performance tip are the same as Poison Serpent's. So let's open this up. Here we have an orange-red ripcord and a orange-red-brown launcher. You also get a brown-gray tool. The instructions, but we don't need that. The stickers. Looks very complicated. Alright, on to the bag. The code. Show the stats. And the bay itself. So here's the Rex face bolt. 1 grand. Rex energy ring. $2.5 for Nightmare. 33.3.2 Switch 145. 3.7 and Defense 0.7. So here's the bay. I won't be battling with this because it is a spray painted wheel. Maybe hard to see, but the Nightmare wheel is spray painted. It's like a light brown color. And the spin track can change. I think this is defense and attack. Not sure what it's called though. Yeah, attack and defense. So here's attack mode. And here's defense mode.